31. Which of the following is not a part of Carnatic music? A. Varnam. B. Drupad. C. Pallavi. D. Charana. Answer B. Drupad. But who among the following won the Purple Cap in the 17th edition of Indian Premier League in 2024? A. T. Natarajan. B. Jasprit Bumrah. C. Kuldeep Yadav. D. Harshal Patel. Answer D. Harshal Patel. Which of the following is the roadmap to achieve development and child protection priorities aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs)? A. Mission Suraksha. B. Mission Vardhan. C. Mission Vatsalya. D. Mission Arpan. Answer C. Mission Vatsalya. Which state of India has the maximum number of large dams? A. Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Rajasthan. Answer sad face A. Maharashtra. 33. Which of the following statements includes two terms? In 3 cases, the two terms mean the same as each other. In which of the following cases do the two terms not mean the same as each other? A. Nominal GDP and GDP at current prices. B. The base period and the reference period. C. Changes in real GDP and the GDP deflator. D. Real GDP and GDP at constant prices. Answer C. Changes in real GDP and the GDP deflator. 34. Medini Rai of Chanderi, Hassan Khan of Mewat and Mahmud Lori joined Rana Sanga with their forces to fight against which of the following Mughal rulers? A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Aurangzeb. D. Humayun. Answer A. Babur. 37. Which article provides that all minorities have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice? A. Article 26. B. Article 24. C. Article 32. D. Article 30. Answer D. Article 30. 38. The Environment Protection Act, 1986 empowers the DICE to establish authorities charged with the mandate of preventing environmental pollution in all its forms. A. State governments. B. Central governments. C. Supreme Court. D. Local municipalities. Answer B. Central government. 39. Match the terms in column A with their respective properties in column B. Column A. Column B. A. Glucose intermediate substance in breakdown of glucose. B. Yeast glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. C. Glycolysis uses nutrients for the fermentation process. D. Glycolysis best organic substrate for respiration. AIB, EAED, IVC. BID, ECEB, IVA. CIA, EBEC, IVD. DID, ECEA, IVB. Answer BID, ECEB, IVA. Why is the 6-membered cyclic structure of glucose called a pyranose structure? A pyran is a non-cyclic organic compound with 1 oxygen atom and 5 carbon atoms in the ring. B. Pyran is a cyclic organic compound with 1 oxygen atom and 5 carbon atoms in the ring. C. Furan is a 5-membered non-cyclic compound with 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atoms. D. Furan is a 5-membered cyclic compound with 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atoms. Answer B. Pyran is a cyclic organic compound with 1 oxygen atom and 5 carbon atoms in the ring.